Hello children, how are you? I am Vijay Yadav from Techno India Group Public School, Bhopal. Today we will discuss about the birds. Everywhere you can find the birds surrounding you. So I hope you all know about the birds. Birds are of different kinds, in different colors and are of different size. Now let us start. Birds are some of the most beautiful and the colorful animals we see around us. How are the birds? Birds are very beautiful, most beautiful and colorful animals which we can see around us. They have two legs with claws which they use to perch on branches, scratches the ground and hold their food. How they use their legs? They use their legs with the claws. Claws means ये आपके पंजे नीचे के, these are the legs and these are the claws. मतलब जो पंजे होते हैं जिसके ऊपर वो बैठते हैं. They use two legs with claws which they use to perch on the branches. Perch means जो टहनी होती है उस पर बैठने के लिए they use their claws. मतलब उस पर आप देखते हो कैसे होल्ड किए रहते हैं वो टहनी को. So they use their claws to sit on the branches, to dig the grounds and hold their food. Birds have many special features that help them to fly. So birds have many special features which help them to fly. They have wings with feather attached to them. They have a wings, उनके पंख होते हैं which are attached to they have a wings with the feathers which are attached them to fly. जो उनकी बॉडी में अटैच रहते हैं which help them to fly. Their bodies are bow shaped which help them to cut through the air easily. How is their body? Their bodies are mostly in bow shape which help them to fly easily because they help them to cut the air easily and they can fly easily. Their bones are light and strong. How is their bones? Their bones are very light and very strong which help, they are very strong and they are hollow and filled with the air. जो अंदर से hollow means अंदर से खोखली होती है जिनमें हवा भरी रहती है and due to this air this keep the body light which keep the body light जो body को बहुत हल्का रखती है and help them to fly easily and these bones help them to fly the birds easily. Their wings are attached to the strong muscles and birds' wings are attached to the muscles which are called the flight muscles and which help them to move up and down. Although all birds have feathers and wings, they fly different distance and different heights. All the birds are of the different size and all have feathers but in spite of this, some can fly very high, some can fly long distance while other not. Eagles and vultures can fly very high in the sky. Which birds can fly very high in the sky? Eagles and vultures can fly very high in the sky. Birds like a sparrow and the bulbuls fly low high. They can fly only वो बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर नहीं जैसे they cannot fly very high. Hens and peacocks fly very short distances while hens and peacock can fly only for a short distance. They cannot go so far. They cannot fly so far for a long distance. Whereas swallows and cranes can fly very long distance. And there are the some birds like swallows and cranes who can fly very long distance. There are also some birds who cannot fly due to their weights. Like you can see in these pictures, there are some birds like a ostrich, like a emu, who cannot fly. Why they cannot fly? Because they have a weak flight muscles and their body is very heavy, so they cannot fly. Feathers means जो पंख होते हैं. Apart from flying, these feathers not only help them to fly, but they also help them in other number of the ways also. They trap the body heat and keep the birds warm when it is cold. What is the use of these feathers? These feathers trap the body, ये body को हॉट रखने में, हीट रखने में, ये बॉडी को हॉट रखने में सहायता करते हैं। दे ट्रैप द बॉडी हीट, वो बॉडी के लिए हीट कैच करते हैं। एंड बर्ड्स हेल्प देम इन and keep the birds warm when it is cold, and they keep their body cold when it is too, they keep their bodies warm when it is too cold. Feathers help birds to swim, and these feathers also help the bird to swim in the water. Swim means तैरने में help करते हैं. Some aquatic birds like a duck have waterproof feathers. This prevent them from getting wet. And there are also some birds who have a waterproof जो को पानी से बचाते हैं, like a duck, and this prevent them, and their feather prevent them from getting wet. गीला होने से बचाते हैं. The color of the feathers help the birds to hide from their enemies, and some bird color also which protect them from their enemies. How they protect them again? Because their color is of the trees color or in the green color, and they can hide themselves when they saw any enemy in the forest. And feathers also help to protect the bird's sensitive skin and attract its partner. These feathers also help them to protect their sensitive skin, and they also help to attract their partner. Neck movement. Neck movement means birds can move their neck in the round shape, and they can move their neck also from the back side. The other some birds. Neck movements पता जो body का neck में जैसे we can move our neck only in that area, but the other some birds who can move their back from back and move their neck back side. Some birds like a myna, peacock and all move their necks a lot. There are the some birds like a myna in which to which in Hindi we call myna, peacock and all move their back. वो अपनी neck को बहुत ज़्यादा पीछे तक मोड़ सकते हैं. They can move their neck from back side to back side. Myna move its back and forth it with a jerk. Myna means मैना move its neck back मतलब एकदम पीछे तक ले जाती है, and forth it with the jerk मतलब एकदम झटके से it move its neck. The peacock also move its neck back and forth while walking, and peacock can also move its neck and then they which help them to move forward. Owl can rotate its neck backward to a very large extent. Rotate मतलब owl can also rotate मतलब घुमा सकता अपनी neck को पूरा घुमा सकता है. I will send you video of owl how he can move his neck. Birds and their sounds. We all have heard the chirping of the birds. How in the morning we mostly heard the voice of birds chirp, they make the sound, and birds usually communicate with two kinds of the sound. Like us, they also communicate to each other, and they make two types of the sound. One is a call which is called a single sound, and other is song is a series note. That sound, that a musical sound. They make a musical sound to communicate with each other. Beaks means चोंच, आगे की चोंच होती है. Birds use a lot of energy while flying. Birds need lot of energy while they fly. Thus they need to eat a lot of food. They also require lot of food to eat. Why? Because they need lot of energy while flying. They use their keen sight. They use their knee eyesight and beaks and claws to get bugs, worms, fish, fruits, grains and nectars. They use their keen eyesight मतलब बहुत तेज eyesight को use करते हैं, so that they can through their beaks and claws they can get bugs, मतलब जब दिया अपने पंजों के द्वारा अपने बीक्स के द्वारा they can catch their they can catch insects जो डिफरेंट, आप देखते हो कि उनकी चोंच में डिफरेंट टाइप के छोटे छोटे जो कीड़े मकोड़े होते हैं वो उनको पकड़ने में हेल्प करते हैं. सो दे यूज देयर keen eyesight, beaks, claws to get bugs, worms, fish, fruits, grain and nectar. Nectar means अपनी बीक से वो फ्लावर के अंदर जो जूस होता है उसको वो निकाल लेती हैं. We can know the type of the food the birds eat. We can know the type of the food the birds eat by observing its beaks. The shape of the beak depends on the kinds of the food it is it. How is the shape? The shape now every birds have a different type of the beak and a different shape of the beak which they use to eat their food. You can see here this bird is a very short beak. Birds like a sparrow and pigeon that have to crack open their food. जैसे अपने जो बीक से अपने फूड को तोड़ते हैं. They have a very short, कैसी होती है उनकी बीक जो होती है बहुत शॉर्ट होती है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी हार्ड एंड पॉइंटेड बीक, पॉइंट मतलब आगे से नुकीली होती है. Birds like a hummingbird, sunbirds have a long curved face. How you can see this is a hummingbird and how its beak is very long and in the curved shape which help them to drink the nectar from the flower. जो फ्लावर में से पूरा नेक्टर मीन्स वो जो पूरा जूस होती है उसको निकालने में हेल्प करती है इसकी बीक. You can see here the woodpeckers का नाम आपने सुना होगा. Woodpeckers and hops have sharp, strong, straight and pointed beak. इसके लिए बीक आप देखते हो कितनी शार्प होती है. इस pointed में आगे से बहुत नुकीली होती है. This helps them to make a hole in the bark of the tree. जो एक ट्री में भी होल कर देती है और उसके अंदर से पूरे इंसेक्ट निकाल के बाहर ले आती है. Make the hole in the bark of the tree and pull out the insect. Parrot has a strong and a hooked beak. पैरेट भी आप ये देख रहे हो एक हुक के शेप में इसकी बीक होती है जिससे वो अपने जितने भी फ्रूट्स की जो बीज होती हैं उनको क्रैक करता है. नट्स हुआ, नट्स मतलब जैसे आपके जो भी ड्राई फ्रूट्स होते हैं एंड फ्रूट्स को उनको तोड़ लेता है. वाटर बर्ड्स लाइक अ डक, you can see here water birds like a duck and the spoonbills have broad and a flat beak. How is their beak? Their beak is is very broad and they have a flat beaks. These beaks help them to dig mud under the water. Their beak also can dig the mud. Mud means जो मिट्टी होती है पानी के अंदर उसको भी वो dig कर देती है. Birds like a stork and crane that have to catch fish. You can see here this is the birds like a stork and the crane जिनकी जो बीक होती है फिश को कैच करने में हेल्प करती है. Like a stork, crane have to catch the fish and have a long pointed beak. उसकी भी जो बीक होती है बहुत लॉन्ग होती है और आगे से बहुत पॉइंटेड होती है. Kites, eagle, vultures have a strong, sharp and a hooked beak. How is their beak? Their kite, eagles and vulture beak is very sharp and very strong and hooked beak which help them to tear the flesh and blood. I have told you in the last video, these birds mostly eat dead animals, the flesh of dead animals, and their beaks help them to take out their beak help them to tear the flesh of these animals. That's all. Migrating birds. Migrating means they are the some birds who change their places due to escape the extreme cold condition. Wish to protect themselves from the extreme coldness. They fly long distance to the warmer place. They went to the warm place. जो कुछ ऐसी बर्ड्स होती हैं जिनको जो ड्यू टू द वेरी कोल्ड बहुत ठंडक होने के कारण वो अपना स्थान चेंज कर लेते हैं. दे चेंज देयर प्लेसेस एंड गो टू द वार्म प्लेस जहाँ पे थोड़ा गर्म होता है वहाँ पे वो चली जाती हैं. एंड दीज बर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड द migratory bird. These movements of the bird everywhere will change in the season, and they every year due to the change in the season they change their places. And these birds are called the which change in the season is called the migration. Some birds also move due to the shortage of food and food or to reproduce. And why there are also some birds who change their place due to the shortage of the food, and they have to reproduce. That's why they change their place. And that's all. Now you have to listen carefully. I will send you a video of all how can he move his neck. Thank you. Have a nice day.